I'm going to show you a coin today that could be one of the surprise packages this coming bull run. It's just starting to move and there is potential for huge upside on this. It's a coin that's been criticised a lot, particularly towards the end of the last bull market for poor marketing and not making the most of technology available. And it's been leaving a lot of investors frustrated, those that have been holding over the past couple of years, almost starting to give up on this coin. But it's received some good news this week. Before I reveal the coin, guys, I'd really appreciate if you like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. And in the comment section below, I will pin a link to our free Telegram group and website if you want to check that out. This coin is FTM, and over the past 90 days, when we look at the top 50 performing coins, this has outperformed Bitcoin. Bitcoin has grown by 69% over the past 3 months. FTM is sitting on 111% now. And we're going to take a look at why this has performed so strongly over the last couple of weeks and what it means going forward. So the reason that we have seen such growth in this, particularly towards the back end of last week, is that Fantom have announced the launch of Sonic, which will take place in the second part of 2024. And this is an upgrade that will significantly enhance transaction speeds. It's capable of being 2,000 transactions per second. And this will also mean that it can support up to 180 million transactions daily with immediate confirmation. That is a tenfold increase in the current processing capability. And it also makes things more better integration with liquid staking, shared sequencing for layer 1 and layer 2 chains. So really bullish news for Fantom, and we've seen this translate into the recent price action. If we look first of all at the daily chart, this is a coin that, as I said, a lot of people were kind of giving up on. Even at the start of 2023, we got a nice move up, but just a slow bleed out right throughout the year, and actually ending 2023 right back at the bear market lows of November 22. But just recently, we've seen a very nice move throughout March, over 100% in this month alone. Now, over the last few days, we have seen some downturn on this. So we reached highs of $1.20, now trading back under $1. That's no reason to be bearish. It's often the case after we get a news announcement, you do see some sell-off afterwards. But right now, this is actually just back testing this previous resistance here at around 90 cents. And now if this holds as support, that's actually very bullish and could just be another higher low here for a move like this before trading back towards the upside over the coming weeks. If we flip over to the weekly chart, we see a very similar situation on this. Actually, it looks cleaner if anything. We have this very nice breakout, which actually was back tested really strongly. So after this resistance was broken out about sort of 55-60 cents, this came back and reacted very well on the retest. We can clearly see now why we are facing resistance. This is a big weekly level. The rejection point where we've just seen has come from the bull market 2021, the bull market support. So we can see throughout these months, this was very strong support, reacted really aggressively from this area, but this week has rejected from it, and so did last week too. So for me now, I'm looking for entries and where we go from here. Maybe we do just kind of form a bit of a range. So any move down towards 60 cents for me is a strong buy on FTM. But also I am looking for a flip of this level. Any weekly close above $1.10, you can look to take a swing trade to then turn this into support before trading back towards the all-time highs. Now, if this rollout of this upgrade goes well, and obviously we will get more news on that over the coming months before the lead up to it, then there's every chance that we do see continued bullish momentum on this and move back towards the all-time high at least, which sits around $3.50. I hope you found this video useful, guys. Let me know in the comments, are you holding FTM? What your price targets are for it, medium and long term as well. Thanks for watching.